AI tools seem to be everywhere. They're just taking over. You've probably heard all about ChatGPT already, but this video is different. I'm going to share with you some mind-blowing AI image generators. But I won't leave you hanging. I'll also show you what you can do with those images to make them worthy of being sold on a t-shirt. For the last few weeks,
I've been diving deeper and deeper into the world of AI.
To the point where I don't even know what's real anymore. It's actually scary what's out there. And I've explored 20 different AI tools. But in this video, we're just going to look at 3 of them. These 3 really blew me away. Their image creating ability is beyond powerful, and any seller, creative or not, could benefit. For creative people, you could use these tools just to spark some ideas and speed up the process. And for uncreative people, you could use these tools to help assist you and level up your game and skills so you can finally be on par with the competition. The first one we're going to look at is Midjourney. This is probably the most confusing one to use, but it's by far the most worthwhile because, in my opinion, I think it's the best. I was genuinely blown away after putting my prompt in. Start by going to midjourney.com, sign up for the beta, and then it'll prompt you to set up a Discord. If you've never used Discord, don't worry. I hadn't used it until last week when I was trying Midjourney, so really it's not a big deal and it's quite easy to use. After inputting your info and confirming your email, you'll see this. You can go to the newbies section and create your first prompt. After doing that, the auto message will pop up giving you some guidance, and then you're off to the races. You have 25 prompts to use, so use them wisely. Discord is an incredibly fast-moving chat room, so you can very easily lose your messages. You'll be able to find them by seeing what is highlighted in orange like this. Okay, let's give it a go. You want to be as detailed as possible to try and get the best results. It can take about 60 seconds to get your image. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Look at the quality of that cat over here in the top right corner. Oh my gosh. I'm literally lost for words. I mean, from my prompt was beautiful, realistic black tabby cat on some beautiful sweeping hills with a stunning colourful yellow sunset in the background and green tall trees surrounding. You've got your green tall trees. You've got your sweeping hills and the sunset and the clouds. Oh my gosh. Okay, this bottom left, I guess it's walking, so that's probably why it looks like that. But they're all unreal. Like, if someone sent it to me, I would be shocked. That is incredible. Like, absolutely incredible. We can now upscale it to our favorite one, or we can get variations of one we like. That's the first tool, and quite honestly, if I ended the video here, I would be very happy. Midjourney is just absolutely astonishing. And at the end, I will tell you how you can use these AI generated images for your print-on-demand businesses. The next tool is CF Spark. You'll find this on Creative Fabrica. You have various different tools within CF Spark, and for this video, we're going to look at their art tool. We'll make sure to use the same prompt that we used in Midjourney, and that way it would be a fair test and we can actually see which of the 3 tools is better. After putting the prompt in, just click Ignite and wait a couple of minutes. We'll then be presented with a few options. This is CF Spark, and I mean, look, if we're comparing it to Midjourney, there is no comparison that I can think of at the moment, but I mean, you got the realism over here with the grass and the trees and that very nice gradient of sunsets. The cat looks a little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, what's going on with that eye over there? That is weird, right? That is weird. And I mean, the best part about this is probably the grass, but everything else is just a bit meh. Like, I'm not at all impressed with that. Annoyingly, it's not free. As it stands, I still prefer Midjourney, especially as you get 25 free prompts. The last AI tool we're looking at is Night Cafe. This one is cool because you can choose from a few different AI styles. You have DALL-E 2, which is probably the most well-known, and then you have all these others. We'll use the stable option with the same prompt again. We can choose a style option, which is cool as it will help fine-tune the final image. Let's have a look. View creation. Right, again, I'm not that impressed with this, to be honest. I mean, I don't even know what that animal is in this top right one. Everything else about the top right image is stunning. I mean, that is a beautiful sunset, mountain. It was not really sweeping hills, but you got the trees there. This one on the left is also okay, but it's a bit weird. You know, you got that weird shape of the sun. To be honest, the top right is probably the best one, if only it had a cat in it. I don't know what that animal is, but yeah, that doesn't look like a cat. I mean, look, if we compare them all, you've got Night Cafes, which is not bad. I mean, it's still done by AI, so it's pretty good for AI. And then you've got CF Spark, which I don't think is that impressive, I'm sorry. And then you've got the final, which was the first one we did, which was Midjourney, which you can clearly see it's insane. It's night and day better. The big question is, how can we use these with print on demand? Well, according to various sources, these images are copyright free. However, a lot of these sites don't like AI generated art, so don't go overboard with it. Don't start uploading thousands of AI images to your store. One thing I like to do is take the image a little bit further with my own editing. Sometimes I'll add basic graphics or lines to the image. Most times I'll add text to add another layer of personalization. I would use Photoshop and Kittle and sometimes Canva to do these things. Mainly because a t-shirt that has these fine-tuned edits will look a lot better, there'll be more your style, and an image with text will speak to a more targeted audience. All in all, AI isn't going anywhere, so there's absolutely no point moping about it. At first, I really wasn't on board, but after playing with it and seeing how powerful it is, my mind is shifting and I'm starting to adapt to the idea of using AI, but in moderation. I don't think I'll ever upload an AI image at face value. I would always want to customize it and make it my own style. Now, if you thought this AI was cool, you've seen nothing yet. You need to check out a brand new print-on-demand method utilizing AI and various other tools to seriously upgrade your print-on-demand business in 2023.